this video, we will demonstrate how to access the drain line flow control. First, remove the red clip that is holding the drain line elbow in place. Then wiggle and pull the elbow out and away from the control valve body. The black rubber flow control is located inside of the red cage. Next, clear any possible debris or buildup from within the drain port of the valve body. The red cage that contains the rubber flow control can easily be removed from the elbow. Next, unthread the nut that holds the barb fitting in place along with a rubber washer to see all the components that make up the drain line elbow assembly. Note that there's an O-ring on the end of the drain elbow. If it is torn or pinched, we recommend replacing it with a new one. Leaving a damaged O-ring in place may cause a leak from the drain port. Ensure that you apply a thin layer of silicone grease onto the O-ring before placing it onto the elbow. Then place the barb fitting and washer back into position and thread back onto the elbow as well. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the rubber flow control out of the holding cage as shown in the video. Please refrain from attempting to remove it through the center hole. This hole is precision drilled to ensure the proper flow rate to the drain during backwash and rinse cycles, and it must not be damaged. Note that there are two distinct sides to the flow control. One side features an embossed stamp indicating the flow rate. The other side is smooth with the beveled center hole. The larger the hole, the higher the flow rate. Next, carefully clear the flow control of any debris or buildup. If you decide to replace the flow control, it is imperative that the replacement flow control has the exact same flow rate embossed on it. These flow controls are precision engineered for each specific unit and they must match exactly. Please be advised that there is a specific procedure for placing the flow control into the red holding cage. Ensure the beveled side is facing up when placing it into the cage. This orientation guarantees the correct amount of water will be sent to the drain during the backwash and rinse cycles. Then push the cage into the end of the drain elbow. Reinsert the drain line elbow assembly into the valve body port and secure it in place using the red clip. You have now successfully inspected the drain line flow control assembly.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.